Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So, take screenshot, all you need to do is to just press power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down. Easily press both keys at the same time, and that's how you can take screenshot easily. So yeah, we can find our screenshots here in gallery in the screenshots album. So yeah, as you can see, our screenshots will appear here, and from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.